What is segmentation in operating system? From our earlier understanding about the paging, we are aware that how the concept of paging helps memory management unit to translate a logical address or virtual address to the physical addresses. But there is a problem with that memory management technique, which is the program which has to be loaded into the main memory is simply divided among fixed sizes of pages, and it is loaded into the corresponding frames, which again are having equal size. These all frames are having equal size, so that mechanism doesn't care anything about how user has written the program and what are the different relations between their APIs. Let's be more specific and try to see this problem, what the actual problem is. Let's say you have written a program which is having main function which calls two other functions, add and subtract. So in this paging scheme, it will directly take the complete program and it will divide among equal pages, and corresponding frames will be loaded with that program. So in this case, the allocation for, let's say, this main function can have, so a part of this main function is loaded to, let's say, frame 2, and after loading this frame has become full, so there are no memory in this frame 2, so it has loaded again, or remaining part of main function is loaded to frame 4. So to execute main function, CPU has to access both frames, frame 2 and frame 4. That is the extra overhead for CPU. And to solve this problem, the concept of segmentation came into the picture. So what segmentation does, it will create a separate segment for each functions. Like it has created one segment for this main function which is having size of 500. Similarly, it has created another segment called segment 2 for add function which is having size of 100, and created segment 3 for subtract function which is again having size of 100. And now this will be loaded to main memory. In this memory management technique, it will pick a segment and it will load to the main memory, and it must be contiguous. The allocation should be continuous, and similarly it allocates for add function and subtract function, and it will keep the mapping of these memories where the segments are loaded into the segment map table as base addresses. So the base address of this main segment is 5000, so it will keep 5000. The base address of this add segment is 6000, so it will keep here 6000. Similarly, it will keep 7000 for this subtract function, and it is knowing what is the size of each segment. For this, the size is 500, for this size is 100, and for subtract also size is 100. So now for this program which is having three functions, so here MMU will allocate each segment with an segment number. Here main function is having segment number of 0, add function is having segment number of 1, and subtract function is having segment number of 2. So in this memory management technique, the LBA or logical address will have two information. One is segment number, for which memory management unit will find entry in the segment map table. It will see it has entry for segment 0. Similarly, it can find entry for segment 1, and it can find entry for segment 2. And in LBA, the another information will be the limit. What is the limit it wants to access? Because this memory management unit is knowing what is the actual size of these segment on the main memory that is loaded before. Let's say this was 500, and CPU tries to access 500, then it will treat as a valid address, and for that it will translate to the physical address, which is 5000. And if anything below 500 is requested by the CPU in logical address, suppose CPU has requested segment number 0 and limit value 400, then also it will allow and it will treat as valid address and it will convert to the physical address. But if this limit value crosses the actual limit, if CPU requests limit value of 501, then memory management unit will assign this request as invalid address or invalid LBA. It will say this is not a valid address and return an error. That's how, with this segmentation technique, a logical address is translated to the actual physical address. And this is done with the help of segment map table. I hope you would have understood this concept of segmentation in operating system. And if you have still any doubt for this, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll see you soon.